Hello and welcome back to decubication. Today we're going to learn about let and const in JavaScript. Let is a variable keyword with block scope that can change. Const is a variable keyword with block scope that can't change. Block scope is where the access to variables are limited to the function, loop, or conditional they are declared in. If a variable is declared in an if statement, for example, it is only accessible in the if statement. Let, example declaration, let a equals 5. You can neglect to specify an initial value. The variable will be undefined until you assign a value to it. Const, example declaration, const a equals 5. You must specify an initial value. Can't be changed. Repeated declarations. This is a mistake in JavaScript. Let x equals 5. Let x equals 5. You cannot have more than one let or const declaration of the same name. Hoisting. Yo, this is a thing that exists. Learn it exists, and then never use it. The variable version of it, at least. Hoisting. Variables declared with the var keyword or functions are made available for use before they are assigned a value within the same function scope. Let and const variables are also hoisted, but they're unable to be used before they're given a value, whereas var is given a default value of undefined before you give it a value. This is why you can call a function before it's defined in JavaScript. Ciao.